Hello guys, and welcome to electronics tutorials. Today's lesson we're going to solve a circuit using source transformation. As you can see, we are asked to find this current I0, which is in this resistor. As you can see, we have three power sources: two current source, which is 6 ampere, and the other one is 3 ampere. And you can see we have 20 volt here. Voltage source is 20 volt, and this one is 2 ohm resistor, 5 ohm resistor, and 4 ohm resistor. So looking at our problem, we can see that we can transform only two parts. Since we are looking for this current over here, that means we don't have to touch this resistor here. Only the changes we're going to have to make is here. We can transform this part and also this part. So we can transform the current source, which is 6 ampere and 3 amperes, into a voltage source. And to do that, you have to multiply the current with this 6 ampere and the resistor 2 ohm. This will give you 12 volt. And then for this one, to find the voltage source here, this will be our current is 3, so it's 3 multiplied by 5 on resistor, which is 50 volt. And now we have our new source, our new voltage source. We can draw our new circuit, which will be like this. Let me do this. Our new source will be like this. So this is our new source voltage. Since our arrow is pointing up this direction, this is will be positive, this is negative, and this is our 12 volt, and this is our resistor 2 ohms. And since this one is pointing this direction, so this is positive and negative, and this is our 15 volt, and this is our 5 ohm resistor, and this is our 4 ohm resistor. We didn't touch anything here, guys, remember that. And our current is going this direction, I0, and this one is our 20 volt. This is our 20 volt. So now looking at our new circuit, we can use a Kirchhoff's law to form equation, one equation, and also that one equation we can use it to find I0, because now we know, now in a series circuit we know that our current is always the same, it's constant. So using Kirchhoff's law by applying KVL, so this will be positive, this will be negative, and this will be positive, and this will be negative. And okay, let me use the red mark. This is positive, negative, positive, negative, and this is positive and negative. And going this direction, we're gonna get our formula like this. This will be 12. As you can see, the voltage here is going from negative to positive, so it takes a positive sign. And here you can see that the voltage here, the voltage of this resistor, goes from positive to negative, so therefore it takes a negative sign. It's going to be 2 I0, and this one is positive plus 15 minus 5 I0 minus 4 I0 minus 20 minus 20 equals to 0. And then if you add 12, 15 minus 20, you'll get 7. You'll get 7. And if we add negative 2I0 and this one, you will get minus 11 I0 equals to 0. And by taking this to the right hand side, this will be equals to 7. And you can just divide 7 by 11. And then our current is, and our current here will be 0.6363. And then you can leave it into 3 decimal place or 4 decimal place, is up to you. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you next time.